Hi guys, welcome back to another LJ Tech Tips video. Today we'll be reviewing two of the exact same Acer Extensa's 56330 with two different operating systems. One with Windows 11 H23 and one with Chrome OS Flex. Both of these machines are from 2006 and I wanted to see in this video on how they compare to modern standards. The only difference between these two machines is one has a webcam and the other one doesn't, but as you can see down here, they both have the same model. Alright, let's get into it. So, the first thing we'll do is we'll go to Task Manager on both of these, and we will see both of these machines are on their charge and are fully charged for the best performance. So here we have our Intel Core 2 Duo T6 6000 at 2.2 gigahertz, 2 threads, and say we go to here, we have the same CPU. Oh no, sorry, different CPUs but same models. Yeah, same models. So two different CPUs, both. This one here is at 2.2, this one here is at 2 gigahertz, so slightly different. I did not realize that these were two different models, so apologize for that. Both have the same hard disk in them, being a Hitachi, hybrid hard disk. So because these machines can't really do anything with an SSD. Both have the 4 gigs of RAM in both of these machines of DDR2. So now let's go into some more of the configurations. So I'm just going to go to settings here. As you can see, it's going to be a little bit slow because it is ultimately a Intel Core 2 Duo. They're not the fastest processors for obvious reasons, and these machines are from around 2006. Windows 11 Enterprise, and our specs are there, and same with the Chrome OS Flex. So now let's do something else. Let's go and see how YouTube performs, or video playback. So we'll start on the Chrome OS Flex. Let me just go down to here. I just need to turn a few settings off so I can browse as a guest, because these machines will be available on my Gumtree link in the about this channel, and also I will link it down to the video below. Alright, let's go into incognito so we don't have all my personal stuff synced. Alright, let's go to YouTube and let's search our favourite channel, LJ Tech Tips Video. Please like and subscribe, as it does really help the channel out. There we go, that's us. Okie dokie, let's go to videos and let's see how what our playback is like.
The 2025 property boom is expected.
Let's just mute that. There'll be no sounds to avoid copyright, so I do apologize for that. Full screen. Alright, we're in full screen now. Let's see what we're playing back at. 40. Let's go to 720p because that's semi-modern. Alrighty, not too bad. There's not much frame skipping. It's slightly noticeable. Let's go to a bit of buffering there. Let's go to 1080p. Now, the reason why I chose Chrome OS Flex with this laptop was because, I'll just pause the video here, was because it's mainly a web-based operating system. Everything you do is basically a web page, compared to Windows, where you can use both the machine more freely without a web connection. Chrome OS Flex is really likes you to use the web, but it is also more lightweight, so that's why the web is more important, like for Google Docs, Google Drive, all that type of stuff, compared to Windows, where it's not necessary to be connected to the internet all the time. Anyway, let's so 1080p. There's a bit of loading. Not really much frame skipping, but there's a lot of that loading bar, and these are connected to a fast Wi-Fi, so there's a bit of frame skipping and this loading. So it's playable in 720p in my opinion, but not in 1080p because there's a lot of loading and buffer. Alrighty, now let's move on to our Windows install on the same model machine, different CPU. So let's go to Chrome and we'll open it in incognito for the same type of test. Open. Bit of loading. Alright, and we are up. It's loading, it's really hanging. Now, what I like to do is when I do get these prompts, I turn these type of add topics off. It just really turns off tracking and suggested sites and that type of stuff. It makes the browsing more anonymous, really, but it's still Google Chrome and it will still follow you. So let's go to YouTube. It's taking a little bit. That's full screen Chrome actually. I don't have anything else running in the background. Most of the time I see people like with OneDrive installed and that type of stuff. That isn't installed here, it's just, it's been turned off, so it's really been optimized for more of the best performance of this machine, but it is still a rather slow machine. Like normal, these are both designed for Windows Vista, because that was their generation. Alrighty, let's search. Oh, 2 tabs, wow. Alright, let's try LJ Tech Tips. Alrighty, a little bit faster regarding the search. Let's go to videos and let's watch the same video here regarding the 2009 MacBook, which also had a Duo.
These 12 Aussie suburbs.
And same ad again. I wasn't expecting that. Let's go into full screen. It's still the ad, so I can't show that. Alrighty. So, same video, but with Windows. So it's defaulted to the 480. Let's go to 720p. Ooh. Has it just frozen? No, it's playing. Oh, it's really buffery and skips a lot of frames on Windows compared to our Chrome OS Flex machine. And it's a lot more, yeah, you can see it in the hand movements and it's loading still. So, I think my verdict regarding the YouTube test, it goes to Chrome OS Flex. So, let's get rid of this and close that. because it's really slow. So yeah, overall, if you have an older machine, I would recommend a Linux or distro or Chrome OS Flex. Chrome OS Flex does have some more advantages, a lot more advantages when it comes to security. It's more usable for the elderly. Like, say you're going to give this machine to your grandparents, it's a lot more usable compared to Linux, which is reasonable, but you still have to know what you're doing in case you do mess up the machine. I know I'll get a couple Linux comments saying, oh, it doesn't happen on this distro or that distro. I'm not choosing a distro because I don't want to spark an argument. So overall, compared to Windows on the same model of machine, the Chrome OS Flex is better compared to Windows 11. So yeah, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and if you have suggestions for what I should do next with these two laptops, comment it down below, and have a wonderful rest of your day.